Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to remove objects from video. This is the CapCut tutorial. So let's get started. If you use CapCut, a application as your video editor, you can remove the objects from your video. So this is, for example, let's tap on projects. I took this video from library for practice, and I want to remove like a mountain shade a far away over there on the sea. By make a duplicate first on your video and then make overlay here. So tap on the second one here and try to use a rectangle mask. This one, mask and rectangle. So try to adjust the size of the blank space here. I think this is enough, and make a mask here, and you can tap this if it's done. So this is the mask. Try to cover the mountain. And also don't forget to adjust the size. Sorry. And I think this is done. The mountain shade is covered. So please feel to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe, and also click the next button below. See you in the next video.